Hello everyone, Dexter's Dragon Knight and you're here. Today I want to discuss some quest items that you can farm for profit. And selling fame is a very useful way as well. You can sell fame usually for about 100k every day if there is anyone that is looking to buy for it. Now let's go to ETC items. I want to start with the best item. So Junior Peppy Fish. Basically, you need about 600 fish for a quest that Huckle requires you to do, and it usually goes anywhere from 1000 Mesos to 2000 Mesos, and they will buy in bulk. So this is available in first level in Orbis Tower. That's the best farming ground in my opinion. You can farm there and make a decent amount of money by farming these fishes. Now, another one is Lunar. This is also in Orbis. Right now it looks like it's going for about 2,000 to 3,000 Mesos. Those are pretty good ones as well. Now that Romeo and Juliet quest and other quests are available, this is one of the requirements for the quest clear. And another one is Star Pixie, and those are about the same, so going about 2,000 Mesos. The Pendus Seeds, these are pretty expensive as well. I've seen this go as high as 4,000 Mesos. And same with this. So there's Dark and just regular Nependus Seeds. There is Nose Ring from Chinese Town, I believe, Chinatown. It's not even available, it's called Nose Ring. And I believe there is also Goat Horn, or Horn. I guess it's not even available, but it's from Dark Goats. And, oh, Black Horn is what it is. So Black Horn is one of the quest items as well in Chinatown. And that's a good item to sell as well. Another one, let's see, what else is there? Shell Piece. So this is a repeatable quest in Orbis from Huckle. So you can farm these on Orbis Tower, and usually Junior Sentinel Shell Piece and Ice Sentinel Shell Piece are the most expensive. You can't sell that many per day, but you might be able to if there is a bulk buyer. I am one of them. So there are items that I didn't list out just now. I know there are some that I don't know about, but those were what I used to farm for Meso farming, and I do recommend doing them. Thanks for watching.